Welcome to Brain Vision.
Right, so what we have here is table 12.5 visualized. So what we have here is the price in dollars, the quantity. This is the social demand curve, and we have two different supply curves. We have the supply without the social cost, which is the CO2 emissions because they're harmful to the environment, and we have the supply curve with the social cost. And the CO2 emissions are an example of a negative externality. What negative externality is a product that has a cost other than the cost of production or the cost between the transaction of the things. And so we're also identify the equilibrium. So we're going to deal with both supply curves. So let's start with the one without the social cost. What would be happening if these industries are left unchecked? And we find that the equilibrium is at $15 and 440 units. And now if we want to do it, find the equilibrium with the social cost. So it's going to be at $30 and at 410 units. And this is a negative externality because it costs the suppliers more to make the product because of the additional social costs that they're incurring. And so we can label these. This is going to be the equilibrium without the social cost. This is the equilibrium with social cost. And so that's